Hey, welcome back and thank you for clicking on this update. On that last video, if you guys were just as happy as I was, we got the whole thing in paint and it feels good. Just to have that one big portion just knocked out. Now I'm gonna turn the camera around, hold on. We will be cleaning the entire shop and unmasking the entire car. Let's turn the camera around real quick. We are pretty much gonna be unmasking all this paper, everything. And we are going to reverse exactly what I did, which was take the entire car apart besides the trunk. All the little small things, knickknacks, the vents, plastic covers, we're putting everything back. And my brother, which is one of the other owners of the car, him and his wife Jandy, Brother Cedar will be coming over and helping me because I don't want to install those doors by myself. I usually would, but you know what? I got to work smart. Don't want to hurt myself, and I also don't want to damage anything on the car. So we are going to get to time-lapse in about a few minutes after I'm done explaining what else I'm doing. I can't stand the shop when it gets paint all over the place, overspray. I'm going to have to clean up everything, throw everything in a bag, get microfiber and wipe pretty much everything that has the collected dust or overspray. Wipe it all down, sweep everything, shop vac everything, take all these sheets away because it makes my shop look ugly. It's like a ghost right there. I want my toolbox showing. That's what I like. I like my shop looking like a shop again. So I'm probably gonna get all that stripped down before my brother gets here. In the meantime, let's get at that right now, and we're gonna jump to time lapse of us unmasking and assembling everything. So please stay tuned. We'll get at that right now. All right, I think we are done. And we're gonna call it quits. It's been a real busy week and weekend, and I am beat and tired. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, give you guys a real quick look of what we got going on. So I had my brother here earlier, Sita, helping me assemble the rest of the car. He did the whole front end. It's looking absolutely beautiful. I mean, I can never be this much excited because it just looks more complete. It is looking great. We still got a lot of fine-tuning to do, but we also had the homie Hong. He's our glass guy and our homie. He installed the front windshield, a brand new one actually, rear quarter in the rear window. And like I said, I am overly excited because it looks more complete, looking more like a real car. We still got a lot of more fine-tuning to do, like all those little pillar, the window belt molding and all that, but that's like I said, that's all small stuff. I'm only worried about the big picture, the major work. We will get all that stuff at the end. Just want to say we're going to end this video. Happy New Year's, and I hope you guys stay safe. 2025 is here soon, so you guys have a great one. We'll catch you later on the next video, all right?